So in the next video, I will be fixing the Christmas style to this project, and yeah, but enjoy the video, I'd say. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in last video, I just want to recap, we did this open model thing with the animation. And this video we are gonna make some changes to the design of our website. So I also first I said I wanted to get like one color background, but I actually changed my mind, so I want to get another background. And pexels.com is a real great website if you wanna get free to use images for both commercial or personal use. So it's a really great website, and you can see this is just like really beautiful images. So we just wanna like pick a random one from all of this. I think I saw something really cool here, the coffee. We're gonna download that one, and then just save it, and then we're gonna save it in the images folder. There we go. So if we now go into our images folder, it's here. And then yeah, in the index or in the style.css, we're gonna have that back. So we're gonna have the background image to be set to URL images, and then pexels photo, and then we want the background to be repeat, should be set to no repeat, and then the background size to be set at 100%. No, background oh my god, background, oh my god, wait, what was this? Background size to cover. There we go. Now we have this nice little coffee thing, but I feel like we don't really need a background to this, the white background. We don't want that. So inside, let's see here, so inside here, style.css, we want to find the button. So here's the button. We want the background. Where's the background color? We don't want a color for in the first place, so background dash color set to RGBA 0000.5. Now it has a like a white background, but actually we don't want the background at all. And then we maybe want the text to be white. So we want the, where's the button text? Okay, here we go. We want the color to be set to white. But I'm not sure about that one. Or do we just want the color to be the same? Do we want this? Actually, let's have it like that. We are actually gonna do the background color. We're gonna set the background color so it's always the background color of the button. There we go. So now it's this, but we may want, should we have a box shadow? We can just copy this, I think, and then we can have a box shadow when we hover over it. That just created a box shadow over the text, but we don't want that. We want it to create, we want it here instead. Or do we always want it? There are so many things, like you gotta, I mean, it looks better if we always have it, but if we, it looks way better if we always have it, but I'm not sure because I kind of want an hover effect. Actually, let's do it always. And then if we want a hover effect, we may want the color of the, we want the color to be set to hashtag every. Is there something? Anyway, and then we maybe want to change this, or do we want like, oh, do we want something here at all? Do we want an image right here? I'm not sure actually if we want an image, because it may blue, it's kind of like off. So if we just remove this whole class, what will happen? Okay, I'll actually remove the whole class, but then we want the do we have all the info in one, or is the header like, all right, let's change that as well. So okay, never mind, we have a class called information, so we're gonna use that. Where's the information? Do we have we created? Yeah, here we do. And then we want the padding to the top to be set at 50%. All right, that will not work. Or actually, should we have the %? What will happen now? Will it still be in the middle? I don't think it will be in the middle. This should be really easy for me to solve. Oh my god, I feel like such a noob. Okay, position obsolete. Gonna have the pad. Then we're gonna have the width to 100%. And then we're gonna have the padding to the top. Oh wait, actually let's do top 50%. But the problem is now, okay, it's still like it's in the same place. That's good. What if we remove this? That won't happen. And then let's remove the height. Or wait, now no, let's not do that. Have the height, keep the height, but we want maybe the top to be set to 25%. Okay, I think it's better right now. And then I see this is kind of weird, so we're gonna change that as well. Header. Oh, that's the wrong one. We want the, all right, that's kind of weird. Items of my website, here we go. Padding, we're gonna change that to pixels 10 pixels. Now it will always be in the same place, so that's good. That's really good. And now we have this, but maybe we want something a bit more like, or should we have it like this? I think we should kind of have it like that. But we want maybe to have something that's a bit more down, so we are gonna do that. We are gonna set the height to the information. We're gonna set the height to 100% as well. I know that this will kind of mess some stuff up because we have a height here. Or actually, that won't make anything different. It won't. All right. But okay. So here we want to have a. So when we scroll down, we get this weird kind of effect. But we're gonna fix that. So inside here, inside the information, or actually, I think we should. I think we should not set the height of that. All right. So then we want to go down a bit out of all of this, and then we're gonna create this div class equals more info. There we go, and then we're gonna have a section. We're gonna call this. Here we're gonna have like. Actually, can we do another div class equals first? Wait, section ID equals first one, and then if we have the style.css, it's just me that's acting weird, or can we actually back? No, but we want. Okay, it's just me being really weird. I'm sorry. I don't really know how sections. I don't use them that often. But we are gonna have another div class then in here called about info short about short about. And then we're gonna go into our style.css and then do the dot short about. So in here we'll have a background color of white, and we're gonna have the height set to 25 pixels. And now it got stuck to the top, which is not something that we want, and that may be because we have put this to position obsolete. So I'm wondering if we can change that. Oh no, not that one. I'm wondering if we can change this, because I just want the padding on top to be set as 25%. I think this will not still work. Then let's do it in pixels, because why not? Where am I? Just gonna do that one time. Okay. Top 500, 250 pixels. Now it'll be like that. All right. That's something that we want, I'd say. But maybe let's make it kind of bigger, you know, text and everything. So header, we want this. I'll actually change this monospace. No, I won't. We want the font size to be set as maybe 40. So it's big and clear. And then we want the info p to be set as a bit. Wait, font size. Oh, that's way too big. 15 pixels. No, way too small. 20. I mean, this works. Yeah, I think that's pretty well sized. And then we're of course gonna have this short about. We're gonna have a padding on the top too. Wait. We're gonna have this. We're gonna have the info. Now we're gonna have the whole information to a padding on the bottom of, should have the same, 250 pixels. All right. That's good enough. So here we can actually change the height to 300. Let's do that 300. So now we've got a scrolling effect as well. And here we're just gonna keep it simple. That's the key. All right. And here we may want. All right. So inside here we may want some icons. So I've got a great website for finding out icons, and that's just search for free icon or icons free to use, and this is the flat icon. I'm getting my icons here. If you're buying a license, you gotta reference the creator of these to use it. But if you're buying the license, which is really cheap by the way, for considering all these icons that you get, it's just $9 or $10. So yeah, okay, we're gonna get the web design, shall we? Yeah, I think we're gonna get to web design, and then you're gonna have to log in or to create an account. It's free, so just do it, and then you just press on download, and then this I can't get this one because it's like, yeah, I can't get it basically. But what I can do is just get another. So there's some packages that you can't use if you have not bought it, but yeah, well, we can use a ton of others. So should we have this here? Let's download that one, and this is download animals to nature. Do you want to credit the author, or like if you don't want to credit the author, you gotta buy it. But if you want to credit the author, just press on free download. So yeah, here we go. It's download and everything. I do kind of want to drag it to my desktop, so I'll just do that, and it may take a while because these are pretty large. It may take a while considering, or it depends on how fast your internet is. There we go. Or not your internet, what am I talking about? Your hard drive. So right now it should be finished. So here we got it. Oh no, this is nature. So we're gonna go into our PNG, and here inside the PNG you can find a ton of really good looking and really simple looking just icons that you can use. So we are actually gonna do that. We're gonna go ahead and open File Explorer again. We're gonna go into our desktop and locate what we're working in. So, and then open up the images, and then we're just gonna have get some cool icons from here, which I think I'm actually gonna get this reindeer because it's almost Christmas right now. And then I also want to get this one that looks good, and the snowman. That's all good. So here they've already popped up here, and then we want to have inside the short about or I'm not sure if we're gonna have that about here really, but we're gonna do an img and then source equals images dot snowman, and then we're gonna have another img or an image with a source is equal to images dot deer, and we're gonna have another image and the source will be equal to images dot dove. Alright, here we go, and then we're gonna go into our style, and then we're gonna have a dot short about, I think I call it img. Okay, there we go. And we're gonna have the display inline block, and then we're gonna have the height set to 30, 50, 100, 200 pixels. I think it's good. And then a dot short about, we're gonna have the text align set center. There we go. And then we're gonna have inside here, we're gonna have a padding on the top of let's do that a bit more, 40 pixels. And then she'll have the padding to the left of 50 pixels and a padding to the right of 50 pixels. Alright, so here, and maybe we want to get another background. And then under this we may want to have like, or actually let's create a div for all this. Div class equals snowman. Okay, then it will be messed up, so we're not gonna do that. But then we may want to have a kind of like a small description to all of this. So we're gonna have that, or actually we're gonna do it in the next video because this is 22 minutes long and my tutorials are kind of like 20 minutes. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you didn't hit the like button, I'll be pretty happy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.